All right, so Lilith, I've just reviewing the code here on the coaching record tab. So first thing in the determine visibility method, this is looking good. I have changed this to model user sales because that's what we're supposed to be going to be using now. I've then checked if we're a representative, then coaching tab only works great, perfect. Else we show it all. All right, now then, if you're yourself, then that also only shows your own tab as well. All right, so a couple of other things that I found out. One is this is going to be used in the tabs for this and this. And so what we need to do is actually instantiate, or not instantiate, but create this as a public property. And then we only instantiate it when we need it, which is in this case right here anyway. But we need it available into other methods and to be able to pass to another component. All right, so we need it as basically a public get set. All right, then the second thing is I noticed that we are querying. We have a method in here that says get ALM rep performance, and what it's doing is it's building a query for all of these field set members. Now, we don't really need to do this anymore. What we can do is we can, since we have a sales leader already, we can just do get current rep performance, and it'll contain all of these fields. And then you can just return that. So you can replace this whole method literally with one model object and not to worry. And right now, Faye is working on doing another method that will ensure that we have all these schema methods in there, or the field set. But right now, they are all in there, so we should be okay in the short term until she finishes that. So then, if we don't need to get rep performance anymore, then we really don't need to do this anymore because this is actually incorrect logic now because we need to be using the model get current campaign. So we should be able to get rid of this. We should be able to get rid of this from grabbing the data perspective. And then that means we don't really need this anymore either. And the only thing that we would have to do then is definitely still have to get the contact from here, um, because the get contact, we don't really have a model method for at this point. So that's kind of what I'm thinking there from a refactoring perspective. But all in all, this is looking